Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, now we're inside the garage, and I'm actually using my Samsung S9 phone. That's what I'm videoing on this time because I got to carry it under the truck, show you what I'm doing. Now, this is working on the running boards. This is the driver's side I'm getting ready to do. If you walk over to the other side, I've already installed the passenger side. So those came out pretty nice. And in my previous video when I unboxed these running boards, I showed you what the old ones look like. So these are the new ones. And I'm going to be crawling underneath so you can see what it looks like underneath in just a moment. Alright, so I'm going to go underneath and I'll show you where these brackets. It's actually two brackets, and one's a little bigger than the other. The smaller one's in the front and the big one's in the back. I'm going to show you underneath where they connect to. So bear with me. Takes a minute to get under here. Not getting any younger. All right, so there's the front left tire. And if you look up just behind the tire, there's the bolt goes right up through here, right up through this rubber gasket, and right into the cab. That's where this, it's very similar on the back. It's where this bracket hooks into. And it will also, this bracket here comes off. As soon as I get that bracket off, the bracket that goes to this hooks on there. And in the back, if I can get moved around in the back, is somewhat similar. There's the bolt for the rear of the cab, goes up through here, and there's the rear tire. I'm sorry, I'm jumping all over the place here, but there's where that bolt hooks, and then there's a bracket that hooks right through this. Now I'm going to get this bracket on there, then I'll come back and I'll show you with it all attached. All right. Alright, so we're getting there. Here's one of the brackets on. Here's the rear bracket on. Now I'll go under and I'll show you what it looks like. You can see, I don't think you can see up, I'm not sure if you can see up in there or not, but trying to show you. There's the front bolt to the front cab, and then it hooks into the splash guard. What do you call it? Not running board. There's a, I can't even remember the name of them now. But anyway, hooks onto there, and then comes down, hooks on the side of the bracket. So it's got kind of a 3-point hitch. Kind of a 3-point hitch. That's the front. Rear is very similar. You can see where it bolts up into the rear of the cab, and then bolts onto the side of the cab, and bracket comes down to support this brace. I'm not sure how good a video this is going to be, but it really hasn't been too bad of an install, as long as you don't mind laying on your back. That's the toughest part. Toughest part of this whole job is laying on your back. But I got a nice blanket, warm garage. So that's a big thing, because it's only about Last I looked, 10 degrees outside. All right. So, it's all on. Everything's all tightened up. Too bad the truck wasn't a little cleaner. I can't get very much of a view because I'm in the garage, but anyway, they beat the heck out of the old ones. So, if you enjoyed watching me crawl around under here, I'm sure I'll be sore in the morning. Anyway, give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos shortly. Thank you. Bye.